Don't do that. Hey YouTube, Mr. Hacking77 here with a 2009-10 Champs 48 box. Got it from DNA.com for 48 pack box, yeah. For only 40 bucks. That's crazy. It's like 8 blasters, half off. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Here, count your time.
So holy.
It's like the stuff they used to sell in stores.
It's so
I know.
Nice.
I'll open the first one. Alright, first pack. Like Odin. And just give me the stuff. Alright. Got a historical figures, William Lyon Mackenzie King. Make a base and mini pile. Here, give me the minis. Got a David Booth mini. The mic, stop. See anyone? I'm only missing 4 from the whole set. Probably gonna complete the set today. Hopefully. Finally. Pierre Trudeau, historical figures mini. Mini.
Tyler Bozak rookie.
Really? Nice. There it is. Some dinosaur of the Natural History Collection, and have a red Dale Hawerchuk.
You need a Doug Gilmore?
Yeah.
Got it right here.
Alright, and I got that Alfredson. Just need Fnuff and a Flurry.
Here, cross up that Gilmore.
Hello, night. Good. Whatever.
Yeah.
Got a Dino Ciccarelli mini.
There's a space in the mini.
David Setaguchi mini. Where?
Right there.
That's just green parallel. Green Alexander Sim.
Nice rookie.
Alright, say it. What it is.
Rookie.
Say it louder. Brad Richards mini. Mark Messier green. Gotta be loud.
Need a Zetterberg, you said?
No, Gilmore. I mean Flurry and no.
Mario Lemieux, red, and the historical.
Patrick
Historical
Waugh
figures
mini.
of Arthur Nemeth.
Awesome.
And we got a redback of Frank Makovlich.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Natural History Collection. Brock Petrargon.
Mario Lemieux red.
Patrick Kane base.
Don't need that though.
Oh.
Wonder if you can actually get a jersey in this thing.
Probably not.
You never know.
Auto.
No, I doubt it. Dale Hawerchuk mini.
Scott Hartnell mini. Greenback Sheldon Surrey.
Eli Kovalchuk mini. Well, we did get that red back, so Blake Wheeler green.
You say you need Flurry?
Yeah, we got. Alright. Got a Flurry. Now all we need is Fnuff.
Cam Ward yellow.
Nice. Cam Ward yellow right there.
Mini Louis Erickson.
Nice.
And green Marty Turco.
What's the last one we're looking for?
Fnuff. So far you got every single one I'm missing. Band Long Nose Days mini.
Enough.
Really?
There.
Nice. And now I completed the whole champ set. 0910.
Ryan Miller yellow too.
George LaRocque.
Mini Mario Lemieux.
Really?
Yep.
Yellow Ryan Miller.
Nice.
Dean's getting all the good stuff.
Two more from you.
Getting the Bakov mini. And Clark. Oh, I don't even know that.
So you're done with 0910?
Yeah. So I'm still looking for a lot of void.
Hall of Legends.
Oh!
Jersey Dan Marino. That's
Wow.
nice.
That's
Give me
sick, dude.
That is really nice.
That is sick right there.
That's a football player.
That's
All legends
nice.
are hard to come
Sick.
across. Really nice fit.
It was backwards in the past too.
This is a common one. National History Collection of Passenger Pigeon. Like freaking everyone.
Yes. Tomas Caberlet Mini. Yeah. Brad Richards Green.
Dude, check out that Dan Marino. That's a big hit right there.
Ray Bork mini
Nice.
and greenback of Yari Curry. Can this be another hit? Ooh.
Are you serious?
Ooh.
Give me that. Give me it. Give me it. Come on, it was mine.
Decoy, just another decoy. Here's
No, they don't have decoys.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Dion Phaneuf.
Dion Phaneuf jersey.
That's nice. 2 hits already.
Yeah.
Dennis Weidman mini
I'm done with mine.
green Anze Kopitar. Already 2 hits in this.
Red Vinny LeCavalier. And then I start organizing the minis.
This is better than our hobby box so far.
Oh, yeah, remember that?
Bobby Senguetti, rookie. Start organizing them. Yeah, don't get hobby. Get the 48 pack from DACardinal.com.
Way better, and you won't waste your money.
Yeah, the hobby was what, $60. That was Herbert Hoover mini, and this was only $40, and we already got 2 better hits than we did in the hobby.
The Hall of Legends is amazing. One of the best football quarterbacks.
Chris Neal mini, and the green Evgeny Malkin. Here's an open one.
Alright, I'll find one. Good luck on this one right there.
Oh, another rookie,
You feel it?
That's got a good vibe right here.
John Scott. How many rookies did we
John
get?
Scott's a rookie. What?
How many
He's
rookies?
the second tallest player in the NHL. 6'7".
Wow. Daniel Char is the first. 6'9" on the Bruins. Yeah. Bruins are doing amazing this year so far. Tim Thomas.
All base.
Best goalie in
One.
the league so far.
Yeah, won every
Sorry.
single game he played so far.
3 shutouts.
Clark Giles. Mini. Here, open up another one.
Make sure.
Yeah. Gotta make this under 10 minutes, dude. Come on. No, just take the first one.
What are we at right now?
820.
We're not gonna make it.
Parkasaurus Rani. Mini.
You can make part 2 again. Let's make it part 2.
I have a couple of videos over 10 minutes. Don Cherry Mini. Joe Thornton Green.
Am I getting all base? Bobby Clark. Kia.
Green.
Green.
Oh,
I
really?
made that mistake before.
Wait.
Bobby Clark Green. Not open it.
Don Cherry.
Dustin Bufflin Mini.
What is that, a red?
Red. Ted Lindsay.
What's the highest? Yellow?
Yeah. No, yellow. Dude, are you serious? Yellow animal icon Ryan Miller. That's the highest. How did you not know that?
I just said yellow and Ryan Miller.
Wow. That's great. That's the highest you can get.
That's probably worth like $30.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Wonders of the World, Victoria Falls.
Well, let me find out. Take one.
Dude, just open one.
No, I gotta do it. This one right here. Dude. This
That's
is
our
good
first
luck.
Wonders
Let's do
of
that
the
one
World.
next.
A Ben Fabero Mini.
This is a rookie.
Oh, a rookie. Yeah, I just saw the back. Fabero rookie.
For barrel.
Oh, dude, this is a hit.
Really?
Yeah,
3
it's
hits?
10, dude. I think it is. I think.
That makes me.
No.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
a
that's
hit.
a hit.
Woo!
Wonders of the World, Great Barrier Reef.
Let's hope this is a good hit.
Ray, I got a goalie right there. Goalie pad. I mean, a
What?
goalie jersey. Just watch.
We're gonna
Guess.
have to make this in part 2.